Hello plant friends and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Last time we checked in on our seeds, the seed name I Am Mrs. Jacobs 3's root had changed colour and not a lot else was happening. Today, let's see how they're all doing. Let's start with I Am Mrs. Jacobs 3. So, when I was changing the water the other day, something happened. Part of one of the roots broke away, which made me very concerned. Now the seed still has a shoot waiting to emerge from within the seed, but it's growing very slowly. But once the root broke off, I noticed these other parts, these stringy parts. I wasn't sure what they were, so I contacted a plant expert friend of mine, and she guessed that it was lignin. Lignin is a key structural material in vascular plants. Vascular plants are plants which use vascular tissues, the xylem and phloem, to transport water and minerals throughout the plant. Lignin helps plants to be rigid and doesn't rot easily, so it's often the last part of the plant left. If you see a leaf skeleton, that's actually the lignin structures of the leaf left over as they take longer to decompose than the rest of the leaf does. So my best guess is that these strings are the lignin that didn't snap off. I'm hopeful that this seed will continue to grow, but I am a little nervous. Then there are lots of seeds doing very little. Perhaps they're cracking a little more. My tiny organic garden's top has continued to decompose, but the insides look reasonable. We'll see what happens. But what I am very excited for is Fox FDL Official. This seed is fantastic. Look at how it's split. You can see the inner organs of the seed. You've got the embryo in the center, which is made up of the epicotyl, or baby shoot, and the radicle, or baby root, connected to the endosperm, which is the outer food for the baby tree. Not only can you see the embryo and its components, but you can also see the seed starting to grow. As you can see, there is a baby root emerging, the cute little thing, and also a baby shoot. I am super excited for this tree and look forward to what this has in store. And just look at what a beautiful example of plant biology it gives us. So we have some exciting things, some nervous things, and some very little things. I'll be keeping you updated as more developments unfold. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did so, please let me know by liking this video, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any avocado updates. It's been a pleasure having you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.